conference hosted from the University of Cape Town, South Africa.
I've learned a lot about writing ethically, especially as regards to plagiarism.
My expectations for this conference are being met even beyond what I felt I will meet. The first session by Professor Windakpo was very, very insightful for me, and it's a game changer for me because personally I look forward to a day when I'll be able to reach out to early research scholars just as she has reached out to me. It was engaging, and we felt we had a sense of belonging being in her class. One day we just feel like, oh, this woman, we really want to be in her class someday. It was very insightful, and we are happy for the support we have from the center here. It's been an experience no one would want to miss for anything.
From my PhD studies, and so this was like a fresher course for me, and I really appreciate every bit of it, right from the morning, literature review, the research ethics, and then right now about the papers, which is really the stage I am in, and I really appreciate. I feel more enlightened, and how I wish every other person who needed this was here. I mean, it's good to get it raw rather than just watch the recorded version, but all.
I like that, George. You're a great guy. I like that. Thank you very much, George. I want to tell the participants that we appreciate them up to this point, and for them to know that we decided that we're going to get them certificate for